Good morning, Monday, guys. How's everybody doing? Guys, welcome to Tea Time. Thanks for tuning in for another cup of Joe, because we got Joe today. We got coffee today. I have tea, but I decided coffee because I'm trying to clean out my coffee container so I can put one of my herbs in there. No, one of my vegetables in there. But anyway, guys, I just want to talk about faith. Y'all, hold on to your faith. But before I say that, I forgot. Get your water, your smoothie, your tea, your orange juice, your juicy juice, whatever it is that you like. Water, it doesn't matter. Get your tea. Your coffee or whatever. But anyway, guys, hold on to your faith, y'all. All we have is our faith. That is all we have. People are going to, I'm sharing, when I talk to y'all, I'm sharing my life story or my life journey going through this life with people who don't like me. And it hasn't just started. This has been going on for years because I've always been a strong-minded person and a strong, good person. People have not liked me. So that made me really have to hold on to my faith more to let me know I am truly, wonderfully made by him. And for that, I know whatever he instilled in me that is good, it is good. So you're going to be faced with people who don't like themselves. That's why I always say all the time, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others. Fix what's in you that you don't like so you can love others. So you won't be talking about others. Let's take a sip for that one right there. That's a good one. But fix what's in you so you don't pound that on somebody else. You know what I mean? Like things in you that you don't like, fix them so you won't talk about people, for you don't have that. Let me tell y'all something. When you come around people who don't like you, you can feel their negative energy. You don't even have to say nothing. Even if you're sitting there smiling and you're feeling great inside and on the outside, you can feel their negative vibe so bad where it might push you out of the way. It might push you to get away from them, to remove yourself from them. And then sometimes it might push you to where you have to pull them to the side and say, look, I feel some type of way and I know I ain't tripping. So I'm going to share it with you. If they get mad, sometimes a person share that with you, you need to sit yourself aside and say, let me think about what they're saying. It might be right. But guys, with that, you have to hold on to your faith, because if you don't, you will start really thinking something is wrong with you. And if you're, like I always say, the fruit of the spirits, if you are living that and you are all of that, there is nothing wrong with you. There's something wrong with them. So keep your faith and keep walking in him. Okay, that is my tea time for today, y'all. I just had to share that with you. Part of my life, part of my journey. I'll see you in the next clip. Hey y'all, guys, hours later, it is 4:00 in the evening on Monday, and she just now about to get some things going. Y'all probably will not get the I'm about to put this in the room. It smells so good. Y'all ever like, I got these from this is the Nam Chopper I got from Five Below. But putting this in here. But anyway, I was going to do the seedings of the other plants for y'all, but still sleep. Okay, still sleep. So I keep telling him I need him to drill the holes into the actual containers so I can plant those seeds for our harvest. Okay. So, I'm probably gonna have to wait. Let me see. Excuse me?
Like, wait, what?
For you to drill the holes in the things. So how long is it gonna take for you to? for you to do that. Y'all, she's trying to take her hair loose today. I'm gonna bring y'all with me because I only got, I think, like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I got 9 braids, so I should be able to get these loose and yeah, take them loose and co-wash my hair. I'm gonna use that stuff that I got from the when I went to the bins the last time. So what time do you think?
Huh?
What time do you think I'm gonna be able to
Really?
Oh.
Feeling me?
Okay. You mad now?
I was tripping on the fact you feeling me, I'm asleep.
You ain't sleep, you talking to me.
Why you feeling me though?
Oh my God, y'all.
Put it on YouTube or something?
You trying to put me on blast, y'all.
No,
I'm not trying to do that other thing you thought I was doing earlier. No, when you was having a hissy fit. No, but can you say hi though?
Hey people, how y'all doing? I've been asleep all day, I've been working all night. So, and then I thought maybe she'd wake me up, but she didn't. She never wake me up. So, then she don't wake me up, I stays in the bed.
All right, well, y'all, whenever he decides to drill the I'm trying to keep picking up these pillows. Whenever he decides to wake up and drill the things, then maybe I can get y'all the video. If not, in the meantime, we are going to take our hair loose. So guys, hold the line please, and I'm going to go get the scissors. Let me know. Here go my scissors. But let me know, do y'all like this look? I like it. It just seems more open from there. If I ever find one of these chairs, though, I'm going to get one to go on the other side to face that way, and it'll still be open. But yeah, let me know. But y'all, I got my scissors, and we're going to go here and sit down, and I'm going to start cutting these braids out because she need her hair done. So hold the line, y'all. All right, y'all, we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get started with taking this hair loose. Oh my gosh. Now I will be getting another hairstyle because I have one more pack of I'll pick that up later. I got one more pack of human hair like this, but it's gonna be, I'm gonna do it, I'll have her do it a lot different because yeah, I don't even know if I can see this. Hold on, y'all. Let me get this mirror right here and see what's going on, because I hope I don't want to cut my hair off. But how are you guys doing today on this Monday? The sun just actually came out. It's been really gloomy here today and rainy. Look at that. Yeah, so let's see how much hair has grown. Let me turn this down because I'm watching somebody else's video. Maybe I'll put it on pause. But yeah, guys, okay. Oh, look at this, y'all. Look at all this. Can y'all see all that new growth in here? And it's real sticky, like. I'm gonna have to hurry up and co-wash this out. So yeah, she grew. Look at that. She grew. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna talk about something really, really quick. Y'all, we all got our own little channels and stuff like that. Some things I'm starting to see, enough is just not enough for certain people, and a lot of people are trying to attack you on the low, you know, try to downplay you on the low. But you guys know I always be saying like I'm a minimalist or whatever. You guys, I think for the most of y'all understand. Look at this one. Ooh, she really grew. Y'all kind of understand what I really mean by that. Minimalism has very different stages. There's all different type of stages, but the main key is that you're getting rid of stuff out of your home, and you're keeping your home clutter-free and living with less as possible. So whatever that is to a person, that is good as long as they're doing that. So we can't get upset about those kind of things. So yeah, I didn't really understand that. Well, somebody be ready to tell me that that's what it was. They were trying to tell me I'm not a real minimalist. I mean, I am a real minimalist because I try to live. I can still have nice things, but have less of those nice things in my house, because you already know when I bring things in, I take things out and I recoup my money. So I do have a nest egg and a savings and plan and things like that. Like, you know, some people might not and some people might. So yeah, but it's still nothing to like get upset with somebody about and try to prove them wrong that they're not a minimalist. So y'all, I got 2 braids out so far. So yeah, I'm probably gonna come back after the braids. Let me take out one more while we here. I'll take out this one because it's bigger. But yeah, it's just so funny how people will try to attack you about anything. It's like, even if I go on somebody's channel and I might not like the way they might do something, I'm just gonna either watch it, I'm gonna thumbs up their video anyway because it's their content and it's something that they tried, but I'm not gonna be trying to attack them because I don't know, I might not agree with them. Like, you can agree to disagree. You know, it just, I don't know. It just doesn't make sense. You know, look at that. 6 more to go, and then she can co-wash her hair. We might go to the grocery store too, y'all, because let me show y'all something real quick. I know my hair looking crazy, but let me show y'all something. We don't, when I say we ain't got no groceries, look at this. There's nothing in here. This is dinner from yesterday, the chili. Y'all, that was so good. Go check out my channel, Simply Black Vegan. Let me see, this is the rest of the orange juice. I'm probably gonna drink that in a moment. So we might go to the grocery store. Here's some cheese left and some Brussels. What's this? Cereal. Y'all, that's it. And this is overflowing. This is my compost bin. But that's it. This is it, y'all. This is it. Let me see. Up in here. That's it. And I even like emptied out some of the spices and put them in, like the paprika I put in here, put in this one. And then I put the cumin off the, from the Indian store, I put it in here. So yeah, we don't, that is it. That's all she wrote. So we might be going to the grocery store. So I'm gonna come back, y'all. If we go to the grocery store, I'll probably bring you guys along for some. And if you can cut those containers open, I will bring you along for some. I know y'all like, Sonya, you're like a hot mess, but the hair grew more. Yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next clip, or I'll see you tomorrow. Did I tell y'all yet? To love yourself so that you be able to love others, so this world be a much better place. I don't know if I did or not, but if I didn't, yeah, you right here. Love yourself so that you be able to love others. We'll see you in the next clip, or we'll see you in another video. Bye, y'all.